guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my sister Mo.
Hey everybody.
And we are gonna be trying every viral TikTok game.
Ooh.
We're gonna call this a little Ro versus Mo. Let's go. All right, now Molly, this is what we gotta do to win.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh, you gotta get the sushi out of the air and put it in your little tray. We're gonna time it 30 seconds, see how many you can get. 30 seconds, I'll see how many I can get. Ready?
Yeah.
Set, go.
Oh shit. Oh shit. No.
Oh! Oh!
What? Oh, come on.
Oh!
Come on. No. Oh!
He jumped.
Squeeze him. Squeeze him. I got it. Oh! Okay.
My 30 seconds, ready?
Set, go. I love chopsticks. I feel very comfortable with them. You guys, after college, I actually moved to China and taught English there for a year. And we ate with chopsticks every day.
What?
What's Molly so good at stuff? Oh, Scoppy. You got it.
What? I didn't. Okay, I did it perfect.
Molly's just picking them up off the table. I'm just gonna let Molly win this
How about
one
that?
because
Oh,
she's
let me?
very, yeah, she's
Let me?
Yeah, she's very determined.
Ah! Because if they fall out of the airstream, they just afraid of it.
I love chopsticks. I feel very comfortable with them. After college, I actually moved to China and taught English there for a year. This is so up! It's 1-0. Next game.
Oh, they space it out even.
He gets down too, and he blows.
Oh,
See, he went to here. Okay, so Molly, I'll clock you where you end.
Okay, ready?
And then I'll have to match you, okay?
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Here we go.
This is it. Okay, ready? You go when you're ready. God. Dang it. Molly is the one to beat. I gotta take a deep breath, do my best. Here we go.
You got it.
Damn it. No.
That was two! That was two breaths, and there's still one at the end.
I didn't do it. All right, now it's 2-0. Molly is off to a really good start. Let's bring out the next one.
Loser drinks pickle juice.
I kind of like that though.
And you have to swing it.
Oh,
And
and
they
they
have
move
to
it over
hook it.
each one. I know, I'm like right on it.
Oh yeah, baby, one more.
Oh, you have to go
Get
past it.
5? Let's just do 4. If you make
I
it on
think
the
if you make
final
it to the
spot,
end, you
you're
just gotta
done.
take it.
Yeah.
Oh no, she said.
Yes!
Yeah, she's got to take that.
This is fun.
It's habanero too.
Habanero too. Oh, ma'am. Okay, I got this.
Let's do a little tequila and a little pickle juice, Molly. Let's do a little bartending.
stop.
Okay, there we go. Boom. Are you ready? Get set, let the games begin.
Okay.
Shoot. How are they doing this?
Oh,
Oh,
nuts.
stop moving towards you, Molly.
Oh, pickles. Pickles. Come on.
Oh, pickles.
God.
Molly, did you know I almost said coconut pickles?
She would be a pickle.
When she came home
honestly.
from, when she came home from school, when Mike brought her home, I was like, I'm either going to name her Coconut because she's sweet and nuts, or I'm going to name her Pickles.
She's pretty nuts, so I think it fits.
I don't know. I think Pickles would have been cute. Oh, wait a minute. But Coconuts is perfect for her.
Oh no, it's coming. It's coming.
No, it's not. No, it's not,
too
Molly.
wide. Woo! Okay, got over to you, Mama. Is that 3-0 now? Is that
Molly and
3-0?
I already
Just
had a
saying.
glass of champagne, so
Just
now
saying.
this is a true disadvantage right here. All right, Molly. Molly wins this game.
These friends brought their favorite game back when they were children, trying to see who was still able to use the sticky hand toy to grab the quarter. And to prove to each other that they were still the best, each person decided to put in $5 and the winner would keep the entire prize.
Ooh.
Why is it so satisfying to watch this?
You won't believe how hard it was.
Oh, this is getting wild.
Whoever sticky hand slaps this quarter off the table wins. I'm sticking it down right here. Are you ready?
Ready.
Get set, go. Oh! Oh, Molly, you hit it.
Oh, but you got it off the table.
I feel like I did that. I feel like I did that.
Molly, because you're just not sticky fingers. You gotta, wait. You gotta. Why is it harder closer?
I don't know. This is much harder.
So,
Damn it! Oh my! Oh my god! Stop! They're sticking me!
stuck. Move! Okay.
Oh no, Molly, we're gonna break them.
Okay, you won that round.
wait.
There's more?
Oh my gosh, these are amazing. Okay, you guys. We're upping the ante, you guys. Things are getting crazy. We put lit candles around this $100 bill. All right,
Ready?
you ready?
1, 2.
2, 3. Oh!
It's fired back at me.
We just put 2 candles out. Ah! Oh, I think a third. Get off! Oh! Okay, wait,
Okay,
let's do it
hold
again. Oh! Stinker. Oh! Oh my god! Why are they so big? I don't know, but they're really sticky. Oh! Ah!
That sounded loud.
Oh my gosh, that hurts so bad. Oh! Okay, wait. Oh! Stop! Why are these terrible? Oh! Stop! Oh! Oh! You got it! Congratulations, Molly. She is the victor. All right, we're gonna pick this up and then do the next game.
Don't fall through the quicksand.
Hey, you're trying to get my guy out. That one.
Whoa.
There you go.
And then you just try to make him fall through the quicksand?
Yeah.
So I've got this guy with the bar.
Yeah.
And we've got to put it anywhere on top of here in the kinetic sand. I'm gonna put it right here, feeling it.
I'm going
I think
here.
This is
I'm going here. I'm gonna go in the back.
We're gonna rock, paper, scissors to
Who
see
goes
who goes first.
Winner goes
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! You know, you know me. I do
Okay.
paper every time.
Green.
No. Wait, you pick this green. You can pick this green. This green is
can't.
better.
Oh,
can you?
you have to go out with the whiter one. I see.
All right, I'm gonna roll the dice. Here we go. Green.
Okay.
Green.
Green. Okay, is this a weighted die?
What is going on here?
This is a little sus. Okay, any color. Blue.
Go. Any color. Blue to you too.
Ooh, he jiggled. Did you see him
Jiggled.
move? That made him move. Uh-oh.
Yellow. Oh no. No, you don't need to take.
Yeah, take that one. Oh, you saw some sand fall.
No.
Some little
Nope.
sand fell.
No sand is falling. Blue.
Oh,
No. Unlucky.
any color. Yeah,
Any color
B.
she wants. Any color she wants.
Yeah,
Are you
B.
kidding? Or are you
Blue.
kidding? How am I still standing? How am I still
How are
floating
you
up
still
here?
standing?
It's a miracle.
Okay,
at
I
this
see what I
point.
need to pull out next. to
Ooh,
get you to count.
anything. Yes.
Oh.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Okay. Oh my God, you see his little foot sinking.
Yeah,
You see
I
his
do.
little foot sinking.
His-
Oh, but both your little feet are sinking too.
Sink.
Red.
No!
Ooh.
No! This is messed up. This game was fun.
What's next?
The kid is so cute.
Oh, you have to do the face?
The same emoji.
Oh wow, you good.
To
Oh,
match.
Oh, for it to go. So you
Yeah.
just time it?
It has to match. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go first.
Okay, ready? Yeah! Oh, more surprise, more scared. Bigger eyes. Okay, good. Meh. It thinks you're crying. Straight face, eyes open. Straight face, eyes open. Oh shit, girl. Just a big Yeah, there you go. Crying. Yes. Okay. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now you do it.
Okay.
Okay, ready, set, go. Molly, straight faced. How did you do that? Like a shocked, like, oh. More like this, Molly. Oh. What? Ew. Ew. I can't get this one. Okay. Ah! Okay. All right, next game. Let's go. Let's go.
Monday,
Monday.
Tuesday,
Tuesday.
Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday,
You have to do a British
Thursday.
accent? Oh no. I stink at
Thursday,
accent.
Thursday, innit? Thursday, Thursday,
Oh, she's getting really stuck on Thursday.
Thursday.
We can do better than that. We can do better than this. Hold on. We can do better than this.
Stuck on
It's Thursday.
Okay, are you ready to try it?
Yeah.
British accent, Molly.
Monday. Tuesday. 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 Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Tuesday. Tuesday.
Are you saying it at the wrong
Tuesday.
time?
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Today.
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 Today. Today. It's
Tuesday.
today.
Eat my bread and crumpets on Tuesday.
It
It's
is
a Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Eat my bread and crumpets on Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday.
I did it.
I can't. Molly, you have the worst accents too.
I got back
Like,
Thursday.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
Monday, Tuesday, 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 Tuesday,
Take out the S. Take out the S.
today, 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 today,
Today.
today.
Eat my crumpets on Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Eat my today.
today,
Today.
today,
A Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Tuesday.
today, today,
Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Monday, Tuesday.
Monday, Tuesday,
Tuesday.
Tuesday, Tuesday,
Hard. Today. Eating crumpets on today.
Tuesday,
Today.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday,
Thursday.
blueberry
Tuesday.
muffins.
Tuesday.
Monday, Tuesday.
This water bridge game
Can
is
you walk
hugely
this
popular in
bridge
China,
without
especially
falling?
during festival
What?
seasons. Only women can participate, and the winner takes home a prize of
that's wild.
$8,000.
Okay, she's
At the
not gonna
beginning,
like
many
it.
women
She
struggle
wants
and
to
fall
show
off the
props.
slippery bridge. Eventually, one determined
Pure
woman
energy.
crosses the entire
No,
bridge
she's gonna do it.
successfully,
She's gonna
earning
do it.
cheers
She's
and
gonna
winning
do
the
it.
challenge.
Are we doing this?
Are we doing this?
3, 2, 1, go!
Good game. I think Mo won this time. Let us know in the comments if there's any other games we should play.
If you want to watch any other videos, click up here.
Or up here. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. All right, bye you guys.